Hi all! Welcome to the new video of Top Rank PSC audiobook.
Kerala PSC solved question paper. Question paper code 3/2016 exam Vocational Teacher in Accountancy and Auditing VHSE. Question number 1. Charging low price in the international market and high price in the home market is called dumping. Question number 2. The assets bought for long-term use are termed as dash assets. Answer: fixed assets. The assets bought for long-term use are termed as fixed assets. Question number 3. Notary public is a dash appointed by the government. Notary public is a legal practitioner appointed by the government. Notary public is a legal practitioner appointed by the government. Question number 4. Subscription received in advance during the year is liability. Question number 5. Exim Bank was established in the year 1982. 1982. Question number 6. Who among the following is popularly known as father of cooperative movement? Robert Owen. Question number 7. A bank draft is drawn by bank. Question number 8. Which of the following is the capital market regulator? SEBI. Question number 9. According to Basel II, the capital adequacy ratio for banks is 8%. Question number 10. Interest on drawings is credited to profit and loss account. Question number 11. Price discrimination is possible in which of the following market situation? Monopoly. Question number 12. Sales revenue is 8 lakh rupees and PV ratio is 40%. Then the amount of contribution will be 3,20,000. Question number 13. The Consumer Protection Act was passed in which year? 1986. 1986. Question number 14. Which of the following Companies Act was passed in India recently? Companies Act 2013. Question number 15. A single legislation to replace various indirect tax legislations is the following: GST. Question number 16. IFCI was started as a specialized financial institution in India in the year 1948. 1948. Question number 17. Average clause in a general insurance contract discourages underinsurance. Question number 18. Opening balance of debtors is rupees 30,000. Cash received from debtors is rupees 6,000. Goods sold to debtors is rupees 40,000. Goods returned by debtors is 1,000. What is the closing balance? 63,000 rupees. Selling price per unit is rupees 12. Variable cost per unit is rupees 5. Fixed expenses rupees 1,40,000. What will be the BEP? 20,000 units. Question number 20. Narasimham Committee report on financial sector reforms was tabled in Parliament in which of the following years? 1991. Narasimham Committee report on financial sector reforms was tabled in Parliament in which of the following years? 1991. Narasimham Committee report on financial sector reforms was tabled in Parliament in which of the following years? 1991. 1991. Question number 21. Total sales of an organization is rupees 5 lakh and margin of safety is rupees 2 lakh. Calculate break-even analysis. 3 lakh rupees. Question number 22. Wages paid for installing an asset is to be debited to dash account. Asset account. Wages paid for installing an asset is to be debited to asset account. Question number 24. When imputed costs are deducted from accounting profit, we will get economic profit. When imputed costs are deducted from accounting profit, we will get economic profit. Question number 25. If a company issued 5 lakh rupees worth of equity and 15 lakh rupees worth of debt capital, its capitalization is said to be high geared. If a company issued rupees 5 lakh worth of equity and rupees 15 lakh worth of debt capital, its capitalization is said to be high geared. Question number 26. The Life Insurance Corporation of India was incorporated in which year? 1956. 1956. Question number 27. Dash enables Indian investors to make investments in foreign companies. IDR. IDR enables Indian investors to make investments in foreign companies. Question number 28. The rate at which the RBI provides refinance to commercial banks is repo. Question number 29. Section 80D of Indian Income Tax Act deals with medical insurance premium. Question number 30. Transfer of shares to legal heirs on debt of shareholder is called transmission. Question number 31. Liquidation is not required in internal reconstruction. Question number 33. Dash replaces Central Planning Commission, Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog replaces Central Planning Commission. The Malayalam novel Ohari is authored by K.L. Mohanavarma. Question number 35. On winding up, the statement of affairs is prepared by company. Question number 36. Writing of intangible asset is called amortization. Question number 37. Under dash method of stores issue, the issue price reflects the current market price. LIFO. Under LIFO method of stores issue, the issue price reflects the current market price. Question number 38. Dash clause is included in contracts to make up the increase in the cost of materials, labor or other expenses. Escalation. Escalation clause is included in contracts to make up the increase in the cost of materials, labor or other expenses. Question number 39. Maslow's need hierarchy theory is based on human needs. Question number 40. In the case of new products, dash method of pricing is most suitable. In the case of new products, penetration method of pricing is most suitable. Answer: penetration. Question number 41. Arbitraging is dash activity. Answer: legal. Arbitraging is legal activity. Question number 42. Which of the following is not an offence under Income Tax Act? Tax avoidance. Question number 43. Nifty is based on the value of scrips listed in National Stock Exchange. Question number 44. Fire insurance contract is a contract of indemnity. Question number 45. Mr. A entered into a contract with Mr. B for the sale of a building for rupee 20 lakhs. Before the execution date, the building collapsed due to earthquake. Then the contract is void. Mr. A entered into a contract with Mr. B for the sale of a building for rupees 20 lakhs. Before the execution date, the building collapsed due to earthquake. Then the contract is void. Question number 46. Nephew of Mr. X is missing. He gave a public promise that anyone who can find the missing nephew and informing him will be paid an amount of rupees 10,000. Mr. Y, the servant of Mr. X, without knowing the promise, fetched the boy and handed over to Mr. X. Then Mr. X refuses to pay the promised amount. In this case, which of the following statement is correct? Answer: Mr. Y is not entitled to get the amount. Question: nephew of Mr. X is missing. He gave a public promise that anyone who can find the missing nephew and informing him will be paid an amount of rupees 10,000. Mr. Y, the servant of Mr. X, without knowing the promise, fetched the boy and handed over to Mr. X. Then Mr. X refuses to pay the promised amount. In this case, which of the following statement is correct? Mr. Y is not entitled to get the amount. Question number 47. MBP stands for Maximum Borrowing Power. Question number 48. Errors in totaling and balancing is an example of error of commission. Question number 49. SAP stands for Standard Auditing Practices. Question number 50. Recording transactions in the ledger is called posting. Question number 51. Which of the following is a direct expense? Wages. Question number 52. Unpaid salaries account is a dash account. Answer personal. Unpaid salaries account is a personal account. Question number 53. Assets which lose their volume due to usage is called dash assets. Answer depleting. Assets which lose their volume due to usage is called depleting assets. Question number 54. When two persons make identical offer to each other without having knowledge of each other's offer, then it is a case of cross offer. Consent is free when it is caused by free will. Question number 56. Mr. P agrees to pay rupees 5,000 to Mr. S if it rains, and Mr. S promised to pay rupees 5,000 to Mr. P if it does not rain. This agreement is an example of wagering agreement. Question number 57. General offer can be accepted by any person. Question number 58. General lien can be exercised by banker. General lien can be exercised by banker. Question number 59. Audit conducted by the employees of the organization is called internal audit. Question number 60. The first general meeting of a company is called statutory meeting. Question number 61. Dash company is a company created by a special act in Parliament. Answer statutory. Statutory company is a company created by a special act in Parliament. Question number 62. IPO stands for initial public offer. Question number 63. The excess money collected over the face value of shares shall be credited to security premium. Question number 64. The share capital account is debited with dash while forfeiting shares. Answer called up capital. The share capital account is debited with called up capital while forfeiting shares. Question number 65. Security premium cannot be used for redeem preference shares. Question number 66. A qualified report is issued by the auditor when he is dissatisfied with the audit. Question number 67. Annual audit is otherwise known as periodical audit. Question number 68. Which of the following is a social network? Twitter. Question number 69. List of detailed instructions that direct a computer is called program. Question number 70. The acronym CRT stands for cathode ray tube. Question number 71. The validity of a check is dash from the date of its issue. Answer 3 months. The validity of a check is 3 months from the date of its issue. Question number 72. The market where securities are issued for the first time is called dash market. Answer primary market. The market where securities are issued for the first time is called primary market. Question number 73. The process of converting the physical form of shares into electronic form is called dematerialization. Question number 74. Bombay Stock Exchange was established in the year 1875. 1875. The first Co-operative Act was passed in India in the year 1904. 1904. Question number 76. Trial balance will detect partial omission. Question number 77. Double entry system of accounting was propounded by Luca Pacioli. Question number 78. 20% profit on sales price means dash percentage on cost. Answer 25%. 20% profit on sales price means 25% on cost. Question number 80. Ratio of net income to number of equity shares is known as earnings per share. Question number 81. Who among the following was called the Jhansi Rani of Travancore by Mahatma Gandhi? Akkama Cheriyan. Question number 82. The Travancore State Congress was formed in the year 1938. 1938. Question number 83. One among the co-founders of League of Oppressed People was Chembagaraman Pillai. One among the co-founders of League of Oppressed People was Chembagaraman Pillai. Question number 84. The Kerala Kaumudi newspaper was started by C.V. Kunyiraman. The Kerala Kaumudi newspaper was started by C.V. Kunyiraman. Question number 85. The first president of Nair Service Society was K. Kelappan. Question number 86. A.B. Salem was a famous Jew leader. Question number 87. The Pattani March from Kannur to Madras in 1936 was led by A.K. Gopalan. Question number 88. Swadhantra Gada was written by Kumaran Ashan. Swadhantra Gada was written by Kumaran Ashan. Question number 89. The Chanar agitation achieved its objectives in the year July 1859. July 1859. Question number 90. The Church Mission Society was founded in 1821 by Benjamin Bailey. Question number 91. Question number 91. Literacy criticism in Malayalam literature was initiated by Rajaraja Varma. Question number 92. To which of the following political parties does Tejaswi Prasad belong? Rashtriya Janata Dal. To which of the following political parties does Tejaswi Prasad belong? Rashtriya Janata Dal. Question number 93. Which among the following state is known as the Denmark of India? Haryana. Question number 94. Orange Book is the official book of which of the following countries? Netherlands. Question number 95. The first opposition leader of the Kerala Legislative Assembly was P.T. Chacko. Question number 96. The National Food Security Act 2013 became law on September 12, 2013. Question number 97. Floyd Mayweather, the famous boxing player, belongs to which country? United States of America. Question number 98. The Anglo-Indian nominee to the 16th Lok Sabha from Kerala is Richard Hay. Question number 99. By which constitutional amendment in 1986 was the state of Mizoram created? 53rd Amendment. By which constitutional amendment in 1986 was the state of Mizoram created? 53rd Amendment. Question number 100. Mahakavi Vallathol established Kerala Kalamandalam at Cheruthuruthy in 1930. 1930.
Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, comment, and subscribe the channel.